The future, always so clear to me, had become like a black highway at night. We were in uncharted territory now, making up history as we went along.
Hey, player.
Oh, there's someone there.
You can chuck us all this to outpost.
We can't, boys. We're on a mission. Okay, this rock right here. Stash all your shit. You good? Okay, I've used all mine.
I didn't make any stashes.
It's alright, we got time. Is that boat coming here or leaving? I can't see it on the map yet. I'm making a couple more.
Okay.
So look where we're at. Okay, L19. Okay. Right
Another boat
here.
out there. There's another boat.
Yep. Let's go. Oh wait. I'll put a stash down for you.
Shit ball.
So 3 stashes so far. Or 5 stashes. There we go. I'm gonna stash the rest of the boat shit. Nice, we're gonna intercept it.
What sort of shit are we stashing?
Just all your priceless, like your special shit.
Well, I can really lose all of it, doesn't matter.
That's no biggie. Like I had all the good sulfur shit. That's the most important stuff. Hide them all. So it's 6 as well. Okay, so we got 6 in total. Alright, let's do it.
You still got a gun?
Oh, there's a player up behind us. Let's go, get the boat, cover me.
Oh man. I ran up to try to fucking flank you.
Yeah, flank him if you can, but... No, come, let's go.
Oh, there's a guy.
Oh fuck, there's heaps of them. Get the boat, Glenn.
I'm in.
Okay, get ready.
On the other side. I am. Yep. I'm up.
You up? Okay, wait for me, I'm coming. Alright, I'm up.
He's down here. I mean, still waiting to get up.
Yep. Wait me med real quick. Pull back. Okay, I got the stairs. Killed one. Cover me, I'm looting him. Okay, got his shit. Follow me. We'll head to the back of the boat. This way. Yep, charge straight down here. Okay,
What is that?
it's NPCs. Don't push in like I did then.
Do they die?
Yep. Did we kill? Careful on the left. Make yourself top up. Make sure you always top up.
Am I coming in yet?
Not yet. Unless you topped up, I'll get this last dude. Yep, nice. Check for boxes. There's boxes everywhere.
Who's that?
NPC somewhere. Thought we killed this guy. Where'd he shoot at you?
He was down south. That's where I heard the shot anyway.
Yeah, same. People are getting on the boat, let's go. Dog him.
What does that mean?
You don't let them up, like, so come up here and you kill them when they try to climb on the boat.
Oh, okay. Little fucking crates. Yeah, I got no ball.
They're on here. They're down the other end, northwest. I'll get to you. They're up here, behind you. I saw him down the other end of the boat.
I got no bullets.
Oh,
no bullets.
yeah. I got a little bit. Take this gun if you want. Oh, you using that? Yeah, I don't mind.
I've got one.
Okay. Don't go left. Don't go left. NPC there. We'll avoid him. I want to fight this guy down here. I saw him down here.
It's an NPC down the end. Should we go upstairs?
Careful, because you get shot from the top NPCs. There he is. Got him. Get that boat that's coming up.
Can't see them, can you?
Neither.
Oh yeah, there's...
Keep an eye on them, don't let them get up. Oh sweet, we got some ammo.
He's swimming. I think he missed the boat.
Good.
Oh, NPC. Oh,
You alive?
yeah.
Sweet.
Need ammo, man.
I got some off this guy. Don't let that boat up. It's on the left side. Went to the other side, I think.
Did he?
Yeah, there's two guys here.
Up, can you go up those stairs?
1 second. They're down there. Don't let him up those ladder behind you. I don't know where they've gone. Do you see where they went?
Oh,
Fuck it. Activate the things. You can go up on the top, by the way. Let's check the rest of the chests. Heaps of loot down here. And meds and stuff.
I'm upstairs. So. Someone just loaded near me. The NPC. Are they upstairs?
Yeah, they can be upstairs as well. As long as you're fully topped up, you can tank them for a little bit.
Shh, shh, shh.
Oh, coming.
I heard running.
coming to you. Which part of the boat are you on?
I'm on the middle part. Upstairs. Up this number 2.
Number 2, what the fuck's that? I'm in the dead center. Yep, that's me.
Yeah. Hear that?
No?
Yeah, boat coming up.
Oh, yep.
See it? Southwest.
Yep.
Let me know when you're ready.
Wait till they get... I think they're pulling out. Pulling out. I'm gonna kill this NPC here. Got it. You alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the rest of the chests down here while that's going on. You good for meds?
Yeah, I just need ammo.
Stand still real quick. Cool. Are they coming back? Keep an eye on them just so they can't get close. So every time they come up, just start shooting at them in the boat.
I need ammo.
Shit, I'll get on them. Fuck, they're on our side.
Killed one.
Nice.
I got no ammo.
That's alright.
I got no ammo.
I'm with you, I'm with you.
Killed one. I killed one.
Where'd his mate go? They just leave?
He was on the little island.
Nice, here. I got 8 rounds for you.
How much?
8 rounds. That's all I've got. I know, it's not a lot, but... Didn't expect to be fighting so many people.
We need to get out of here. It's a boat.
We gotta wait 15 minutes for this thing up the front. I couldn't find any of the other chests.
What do you mean the thing up the front?
So have a look here. Have a look at this box at the front. This has got all the good shit in it. There's many of these. There's like 2 or 3 of these on every boat. And I activated it. We got 10 minutes left on it. I don't think we're gonna be able to hold it. But come with me. I'll show you what we'll do. If people rock up with AKs like they always fucking do to steal my loot, what I do is I loot all the boxes down here. Oh, here's one. Hold on. Missed that one. Just gonna get the chest real quick. Another boat. Get to that quick.
I only got 8 bullets, man.
Fuck, they're gonna get up too. They're going front side.
Hey. Oh, I hit him.
Got him.
I knocked him. Yeah.
Killed him. You alright?
I need a revive.
Yep.
Oh, he's gonna have my bullets, please. Can I loot him and you go
Yep.
ding? Someone else just got here.
Yeah, you made it up. I got ya. Quickly grab his shit. We need his ammo.
There's a fucking gun.
There's a player up here. I'm pushing him. Come to me.
Where's his fucking ammo? Oh, yes.
Hit him. Nice, good job.
Knocked him.
Got his saw. Got his ammo.
Guy's full of stone.
Fuck yeah. Doing good, Glenn. Doing good. Alright, take my ammo here.
No, I got plenty. I got
Do ya?
plenty. I got
Okay.
plenty. Yeah, and I got a shotgun now.
That's sweet, because I got this guy's saw.
What was that?
I don't know, I heard that too. Oh, loot may have respawned. How much time we got on this thing? We'll just grab this one and go. 8 minutes on this. You've got a scuba tank on you still or nah?
18 seconds.
Okay, forget that. I'll show you where we go. Come to the back of the boat. We gotta clear the back, because there's a boat at there. What do you call it? There's a boat at the back that we can take and escape with. Hold it. Nice. Ooh, signal flare. Can you grab that? In that chest. Oh, there's another boat coming. At the back west. Let me know when you're good. Yep, right there. Headshot. He's dead, nice.
We only got one of them. Oh, I jumped off!
Oh shit. Get that guy's boat. Get that guy's boat. He'll be dead. It'll start spinning around.
He's climbing up. He's climbing up at the front. He's climbing up at the
Oh
front.
really?
Yeah, he's climbing
Fuck
up at
me.
the front.
How many people are on that boat? Take your loot, let's go. We've got everything we need. I'm jumping off, I'm gonna meet you. I see a boat we can use.
That's theirs, or does it just go that far?